Hey, this is David and welcome to the Tuesday Topic. Have you ever looked at your credit report and wondered what's the difference between something that's showing up as a collection versus a charge-off or profit and loss? Now there is a huge difference in how these impact your credit score. So a collection, think of that as a bill you didn't pay, like your cell phone bill or utility bill. These are never on your credit report to help you. They can only show up if you don't pay them. Now, something that's charged off or reporting as a profit and loss. Think of this as a credit card or a loan that you were paying on and it was helping your credit score until you stopped paying on it. And then at a certain point, the bank is required to write that off as a loss for tax purposes. Now, you're still responsible for the debt owed and they may still try to collect on it. Here's where a lot of people go wrong. Your collection, you're not losing any points over here because of the balance. You're losing points because it's on your credit report and for how recent it is. So a lot of our clients choose to go and pay that off without checking with us, and all that does is make it look brand new, can cause your scores to go down, and now it's stuck on there for 7 more years. Now, something that is charged off, 80% of the time, we see those as credit cards, and it's reporting as a maxed out card, which we may coach you through settling that to see an improvement to your score. But depending on how old it is and a couple other factors, we may not have you pay it. So I know this sounds confusing, and it really is, but if you're looking at your credit report and you're wondering, hey, should I pay this, or is it gonna help me by paying this? Absolutely give us a call. We have an expert team of advisors that would love to coach you through and help you make the right decision so we see your scores go up and not down. As always, thanks for watching. Like the video, share the video, leave any comments below on anything you want to hear us talk about, and we'll see you next week.